hold all your eggies in here in this basket.
Okay.
And hold your basket. Wait, do you see any more in here?
Oh yeah, here's one. I found one.
What's in there?
Nothing.
Maybe. Open it up.
Mine.
Stickers.
Stickers.
I don't see any other ones.
Maybe I can like one. It's right there.
Oh, there is one. You better get a chair for that one.
Uh-huh. I got one. I'll get it.
What's in that one?
Ouch. Nothing.
Nothing. Oh man, that's sweet, Easter Bunny.
Yeah, so easy.
Maybe that one was really for Mitchell then, huh?
Hey guys, look it.
Here, let's go see. What'd you find?
I found all that stuff. Hey, come see this all this stuff. Ooh, look at all this stuff.
Which one do you think is yours and which one's Mitchell's? I think Mitchell found his. Oh, Mitchell found an egg.
Where?
Look. Good boy, Mitchell. Hey. Let him do it.
Ooh, fruit bites.
Okay, well, let him have the egg part, please.
Well,
Mitchell found it, Luke.
Well, I wanted to find.
Honey, that's not kind. That's your brother. You can, here, then he'll have this one. Here.
No, yeah, you can have Mitchell. It doesn't have nothing in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, eggy.
Here, go look at your Easter basket. Here, Mitchell.
I'll look for some more.
Some more eggs?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, look all around, up high, down low.
What's in there?
Ooh.
What's in there?
Cookies. He brought me cookies. Let me think this. Fruit bites again? No way! He brought me 2. What's this? This is a mystery.
This is a mystery.
Yeah, he brought all. Maybe he brought all his eggs here.
I see one. We told him not to put him in the playroom because we thought it was too messy. We told him not to do any in there, honey.
No way! I spent all this time getting a Tootsie Roll. I never got one. Maybe he put one in there.
Wow, that would be sneaky.
What if he was in there, then maybe he wasn't here.
You might have saw a lot more around here.
Oh, guys, I found the ant.
Yeah,
I found the ant.
we'll get it later.
find one yet?
I see one up high.
Wait.
Not real high, right here.
Wait.
By something feathery.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Oh, up there.
Look at that, up there.
How you gonna get that one?
I know. Look at all those Easter things.
Well, that's from me.
Ooh, look it! I found another one. I think.
Here, buddy.
Ooh, look at what's in here. That's.
Fruit roll.
Can I see it?
Sure.
Let me see. Oh, fruit roll.
No, those are chocolate coins.
Chocolate. I found some of those too.
Eggy. Oh, I see a purple one.
Yep. I'll get it. I want to see what's now. Let me see what's in there.
More chocolate? Oh, man.
I got a lot of chocolates.
How about any more? Do you see any over there? Over here? Are these doors? Inside, up high, by the doors. On these doors. Come back here and look. Look at the doors and the curtains.
Ooh, I found one.
You did.
Let me see what's in that one. Let's see what's in that one. Let me see what's in that one.
Oh, what does it sound like?
Well, I'll see. Money!
Nice.
More money. Give away that I got more money. Let me look for some more.
How about... Think there's any more in here?
Oh! There's one up there.
Oh, okay.
I'll see what's in there. Let me see what's in there. Ooh, look!
Chocolates.
More chocolate.
Oh man, you're gonna turn into a chocolate.
I get that dude.
Any other ones? In here? Are there any over by Mitchell? Maybe up high?
Oh, there's one. Get it. I want to see what's in the
Let's have
thing.
Mitchell get
No, I
it.
don't. Get.
Mitch, Eggy, look.
I don't think he wants to get it.
Oh.
Oh, I want to see what's in there. Ooh, look it.
Chocolate. I see one more in here.
Where?
Look real hard. It's on the wall somewhere.
Oh, there it is. In there.
Yeah, here, get that chair. Push it over to get it. You want me to get it?
I can't.
Ooh, I know what that sounds like.
I'll see. Ooh, money. Maybe. Daddy.
Keep looking, buddy. There's more. I see two of them from here.
Wait. Oh yeah, there's one. Maybe I need.
Mitchell, no, no.
Ooh, two. They must have money in it.
You think so?
Yeah.
Where's the check?
I can't reach
You can't
it.
stand on the chair. You can put it
I can't reach it. Sometimes it gets so weird. Ooh,
I don't know what's in that one.
let me check. Am
I like this one.
Okay.
Skittles. Let me close it up for you.
Okay. And you need to get that one. Maybe that one has one.
I don't know. Sounds like Skittles to me. Hold it. A pink shirt.
Mm-hmm.
You've always wanted a pink shirt, huh?
And look it.
More sunglasses. We open those?
No, thank you.
Rather have empty eggs?
Daddy,
Hmm?
if you see any more eggs, just let me know.
Oh, I do see one more.
Wait! Where?
I can see it from here, so pink.
Where? Where? Where is it, Mom?
It's over here.
Maybe something. Where?
It's on a little stand. Egg stand.
Where is the egg stand? See it?
Look by the windows.
Oh yeah, here it is. Let me see. Ooh, look at gumballs! They're so gumballs. Gumballs are in here.
Okay.
You don't want to touch them.
Okay.
And they were so.
What's that?
Look at.
Yeah.
It's one of those coloring pens for your room. Like the one you made me yesterday that it turns to color when you put the marker on it.
Look at. I broke.
Yeah, let's not get that on the ground because I don't want Mitchell to get that honey.
What's that?
Soccer ball?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Didn't I bought that?